Hey folks, MACT here, and I have my 1997 Ford Ranger XLT 5-speed 4-cylinder rear-wheel drive. Has a driver's side door lock issue, very common with these little Ford Rangers. So I went out and I bought this kit. I'll see what everything is here. Has 2 locks for the doors and another set of keys. And yes, the keys will not match the ignition, but you know, I put the link down below how much I paid for this. It wasn't very much. And I will get a working door lock because I have to beat on the door in order to get the key to turn. So the tumblers in this lock mechanism are probably shot. So it's a simple process, and I'm going to go outside and I'm going to replace this lock. And all I need is maybe my little pry tool that I have. You don't need anything fancy, but something like this, or maybe even, you know, this, or I do have this one also. But either way, you know, a couple little pry tools to pry it out. You'll see why I have to have them and what I'm doing. But it's real simple, and just got to be a little careful in one part of the process. But you know, we're going to get it replaced. So let's go ahead and get this lock replaced so I can get in the car, because I'm afraid it ain't going to work pretty soon and I'll have to crawl in through the passenger side to get in. I'm only going to do the driver's side because it's the same thing for the passenger side. So we'll go ahead and right now I'm going to replace just the driver's side because the passenger side is working. It's not having a problem. So it might be just because of use. So let's get that thing replaced. We're going to see if it's going to work. Put the lock in, see? It ain't going to open. Do this, and then it works. So, time to replace it. Now you see this part right here? I got to pry that out, and that holds this lock tumbler in there. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out and then work this lock out and then replace it with the new one. Now just go ahead and put this little pry tool in here. We'll pry it out and it pops right out. That's all there is to it. And we'll set this off to the side. Now this is where your pry tool comes in handy. You just break this out. Pull this thing out of here. Boy, this is dirty. Then you just got to work it out just a little bit. There we go. You start seeing that little piece there. Got to make sure it's open. And massaging it out is the other part. It doesn't want to come out too easily. For whatever reason. There we go. There. We get it out just like that. So once we have it out, we have this clip here. And I don't want it to fall in. So I'm going to tie it back there a little bit so I can just pull this off. Now the bag, we want to make sure we have the right one for the right size. So we have to find the right lock. Don't forget your little gasket for the door tumbler. And again, I'm not sure which side's which. Came with no instructions per se. So we look at this one. I guess we could say this is the new one. It's a chrome, it's not black, but the other one is the same thing. So I can't say that one is right or one is left. There's no real markings on them. That tells me one is the other. So I guess we can take and check the key to make sure. We'll put this one in and see what it does. You slide that one right off like that, slide that back on there, set that down off to the side. Then all you got to do is take this off of here. Slide that lock back in there. I forgot the gasket, so we'll put the gasket on there. Slide that off of there. And apparently, I don't have the right one on here. So we'll put the other one on because there's a difference on the bottom and top. So we'll have to make sure we get that situated. Yep. Looks like that's how that's going to work. Being very careful. Slide that one on and let's see what this one does. There we go. Success! We got it in there. Now let's put that clip back in there and get her to work. Now all I should have to do is slide this in here. Get it nice and tight. Now let's check this door. And there we have it. Unlock, lock, pull the key out. Everything works just like it was designed to work. Got a new lock? No problem. What the hey? We'll go ahead and get this one done too. Pull this one out. Just go ahead and pop this one out. See what we get. None the worse for the wear, I guess. Slide that all back in there. Gasket situated. little bit pinched. There we go. Gasket's nice and flat. We'll go ahead and slide this back in. Now let's see if it works. Open sesame, right? And now I have 2 new functioning locks on my truck. Yay! That's it, pretty simple. Got it all fixed up. Now I got a working lock on my truck and don't have to worry about getting locked out. Passenger side wasn't working that good either, so I just went ahead and did that one also. No folks, that is as simple as it gets. I did struggle with the first one. First time I ever did it, so it took a little bit of time. And you can see, look at that. Yeah, that one's broke. That was on the passenger side. So it was time to replace them because they were falling apart and they weren't working real good. So pretty dirty, nasty, just worn out. That's all there is to it. So granted, they're both chrome and these are black, so they don't really match, but you know, it is a 22-year-old truck. As long as the doors lock, I'm happy. But that's pretty much it, folks. Make sure you like and subscribe to MACT Garage, and also watch all my videos. I try to put some up on occasions, trying to build the channel. Subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe, and I'll promise I'll put up more content to keep things going, and it could be anything or everything. Listen to some music, a little bit of a, you know, one-liners maybe from somebody, and maybe some bonus footage. But go to MACT Garage on Facebook. Yes, and also go to MACTgarage.com on the web. Yes, go to the interweb and check that out also. But this is MACT and my feet at the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.